back to another episode on the FishHooked YouTube channel. Today's video is pretty awesome. We only had a couple hours to fish after work in the evening, but man, we put the smack down on them. We got some good bites and some good fish. So we hope y'all enjoy this one, and God bless. Yeah. Finally. Dude, just take that. I don't even want to move it. Oh man. I think I was on that tree line. Thought I had a big one.
Was that a fish?
No, I think it was a limb.
The limb.
Oh man. That's fish. Oh my goodness.
No,
Yeah, it's fish. It's fish. Yeah, something's moving. Something's moving. That's a big one. That's a big one.
That kind of sounds like a giant.
That's a big one.
That kind of sounds like a giant.
That's a big one, buddy. I'm telling you. I'm gonna loosen my drag.
Yeah.
He's gonna flip out. Right.
It's a big one. It's a big one.
It's a big one. It's a big one.
You're not. Oh my gosh, it's a beast.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Easy.
Come on, baby. I can't turn him. I can't turn him. He's doing what he wants to right now.
You got it. Oh,
He's doing what he wants to.
oh.
I'm gonna try to get him to you. Hold on. Oh, he's going down the rocks. He's going down the rocks.
Oh, it's a 4-pounder.
Oh my goodness. Woo!
That's a solid one.
Man,
I think he's 3.
he was heavy. He has got a belly on him.
There's a fish.
I'll give him to Dad. That's a nice catch right there.
That's a nice catch.
Yeah.
You want to weigh him just for fun?
Yeah, let's weigh him.
Yeah.
I want to know what he is.
Hold on. Let's play it right there. You got it?
Yeah. Oh, almost a 3-pounder. 213.
Man,
213.
that's a little chunk, though.
Yeah, I showed him one. 213, almost a 3-pounder. That's a chunk though.
All right.
Got a big old belly on him. Almost a 3-pounder. Got him. Got him. Oh, Dad. I think this is a giant. I don't know. That was a crazy tug. Ooh. This guy is fighting. Let's go.
That's
Let's go.
That's another tank.
That's another tank. Yes. Look at that.
Loving it.
I think this one is 3 pounds. I don't know. Where's my scale at?
I bet it is.
That's awesome.
That was a bite, dude.
Man, crushed. He fought like crazy. Here, I want to hold it real quick. Just hold it like that. Look at that, guys. Look at that.
That's what I'm talking about. That was a good bite.
$2.12. 1 ounce less than Dad's. So basically 2 3-pounders almost.
That's awesome.
Oh man,
That
2 tanks. I knew it was a good one when I hooked him.
Oh yeah, he's heavy. That's a good bull right there.
That's a nice one. Look, he's spawning.
Yeah.
There she is. The
Yeah.
tail right there.
Alright.
2.12, 1 less than Dad's. That's awesome. Oh, it's a giant. Giant. I think it's another 2-pounder or so. Get out of there. Oh, he's caught on there. No. Get off there. Oh, I might have to go in for this guy. It's not as big as I thought he was. But another solid fish. Another solid one. He might go 2. Ooh. All right, guys, there's another solid fish. This fish looks spawned out. Not as fat as the other ones were, but still a solid fish. If it wasn't spawned out, it'd probably go 2. I don't think it quite reaches 2, but it's a nice one. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Got one. Got one, Dad. Got one. It's a good one. Stay down, stay down. Got one. Coming right towards me. Ooh. Just trying to get into that stuff. Get out of there. Did I lose him? Oh, I think he's still on, but oh, I got him off, yes. That's a good one. That's good fish. That's good fish. That's good fish. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Another solid bass. That's another nice one, guys. Another just toad of a fish. Man, a lot of good ones is coming out of here. A lot of good ones. Big bass. Big bass. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it.